75 years ago, Salad Master started with one man, one product, and one dream: to build a company that offers an opportunity to help change lives through cookware. Today, as a global company, we are expanding our extensive cookware line with one more product in celebration of our 75th anniversary. Introducing Salad Master's Special Edition Commemorative 75th Anniversary Piece. The 12-quart roaster, made with high-quality 316 Ti stainless steel and thermal core construction that helps protect the purity and flavor of foods during the cooking process. Salad Master's exclusive Vapo Valve technology makes cooking even easier, letting you know when it's time to reduce the heat. Our semi-vacuum cooking method creates an environment that locks in moisture, maintains food's natural flavor, and helps preserve food's natural vitamins and minerals. The 12-quart capacity, sized generously. It's a piece you can rely on when cooking meals for a crowd or meal prepping. Offers a large cooking surface and wide shape with sloping sides for easy maneuvering of food. Perfect for browning, braising, stovetop roasting, and large batch stewing. Cover nestles seamlessly and allows for more storage options within your kitchen. And a portion of the profits will be donated to organizations that serve local and global diabetes communities. Become a part of Salad Master's movement to lead the way back to healthy home cooking. Get started today with the 12-quart roaster. Salad Master. Change your cookware, change your life.